So you give me this soldering wire. I will solder this.
Do you need help?
Yeah. Yeah. Now another one. Do it fast. Because that's the plastic body. That's why. Do it a little faster. Okay. Do it again.
Is this new solder wire better?
Yeah. Now your job is to hold this motor now. Yeah, you can do like this.
हैंड्स फ्री ऑपरेशन कर दिया.
बहुत सारा सोल्डर
बहुत सारे की जरूरत नहीं है. But it is okay. It is your motor. You do whatever way you feel right. But ज़्यादा सोल्डर से ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है.
Yeah. Now let's finish it. And this is my drilling machine.
और बनाया क्या है आपने ये?
Drilling machine. 12 volt DC drilling machine. This guys, I'll blow my nose and suddenly I finished my work.
Is everything
Now
okay
we
now?
have to insulate these wires. A little.
So you need.
The insulation tape.
But what is the material of this?
Tape. Huh?
What is the material of this?
PVC. Cups. You bring some scissors here. No, I'll cut it.
अब इसकी ग्रिप देखना यार. फिर आप कहोगे कि जो पुरानी वाली टेप थी उसमें और इसमें क्या फ़र्क है. ऐसे नहीं करो, पहले कट कर लो उसको. इधर रखो. यूज़ ए नाइफ टू कट इट. पहले रखो, ज़मीन पे रखो, ऐसे नहीं.
No, you cut it. Now I will cut the PVC tape. No, Baba, can you make a new one like that? Now to apply to this. Apply it on this terminal.
You have the glue gun.
Huh? Oh yeah, I had the glue gun, so I am wasting the insulation tape. Where is the glue gun?
It is not good quality.
Where is the glue gun?
Glue gun is in that area, tools area.
Tools area, I'll bring it, guys.
And also bring the glue sticks. Have we found it or not? Come, I will find it. पीछे इधर You sit here, I will find it for you.
Huh?
You can, in the meantime, you explain what it is.
Okay.
वो देखो ग्लास के नीचे देखो शायद
No, first let's
कल मैं
test
रख के आया हूँ
it.
वहाँ। उधर रख के आया हूँ मैं।
Come on, guys, let's test it. Come with me.
But when you are finished with the soldering iron, turn it off.
Give me the glue gun, please. Here. Hot.
Now it will take forever to get hot.
Yeah. Where's the glue stick?
How do I know?
You know. You only bought it.
बाहर से लेके आओ उधर से सारे ग्लू स्टिक सारे के सारे टूल्स और वो सब आपको इकट्ठा करके खुद अब इंतजाम करने चाहिए.
Yeah, but I will bring it.
You come here, I will find it for you. Abhi, come here, I will find it for you.
Found it?
Keep it hot and keep it safe.
You take care of the glue gun?
Bring it.
Let's put it. Oops. Whoops.
Here.
I got it to the. I got it.
Be very careful while cutting it.
Go back.
कोई क्या सोचेगा कितने की आती होगी ये ग्लू गन ग्लू स्टिक एक एक स्टिक सोच रहे होंगे 5 दिरहम की लाएगा ओह सॉरी आई थिंक दे विल थिंक दैट दिस ग्लू स्टिक कॉस्ट्स 10 दिरहम बट एक्चुअली
You got it in very coolly.
वी बॉट इट फ्रॉम डिस्काउंट सेंटर
Oh yeah. Oh, first let's correction and do everything safety. So we have to remove that if indeed it turns on and do the
योर वर्क एरिया इज नॉट क्लीन
yeah. You clean it up, please, for me. Hey, I have took that for drilling in it. Drilling in it.
You are going to do drilling?
Yeah. Oh.
It is a sample job.
Yeah.
Achha, then you need safety goggles. Here are
Safety goggles.
for you. And I will also prepare the jigsaw for you.
Prepare it. You're for everything safety. First, let me clamp it. And I will glue the terminal. Jigsaw. Turn one off, right? No, let's turn this one off. While doing this all work, guys, do not forget to glue it with your hot glue gun or hot glue, whatever you have. This is a fan. The fan. Take it out, maybe. Papa, also bring some water for me. Now the motor can be cooled and be safe. Now this is my drilling machine. Let's test it. Papa, bring some water for me, just. Let me wear my mask. Let us try it. The drill. I need the motor to do. Should reverse the connection.
Now you tell me what you want.
Water.
What do you wish for?
Water.
Water for what?
Water for drinking. Huh?
You want drinking water or
Yeah.
what do you want?
Drinking water. Fish. We need fish. It will do it. I think it will work. We have to tie the coupling.
Where is the fork?
Huh?
Where is the fork?
No, I need some water and a flat screwdriver. Thin one. And to tie the screws a little bit because they're slipping.
Small blade?
Yeah.
Here. Is it okay?
Yeah, this one is okay.
Is it flat?
Yeah, it is. Then this one a little. What is that? What is tight now?
मैंने क्या बोला? Only hardly 1.5 thread इसमें लग रहा है. इतना सा 1 मिलीमीटर की थिकनेस में डेप्थ में उसकी थ्रेडिंग है. So hardly 1 thread लगेगा उसमें.
Okay, then let me replace the coupling.
जो आगे की साइड में है वो बिल्कुल एक तरीका है इसका इसकी
Yeah.
थिकर कपलिंग लगाओ.
Thicker coupling. Bring that for me.
Which one?
Thicker coupling.
Thicker coupling I gave you yesterday, but it is not.
So thick.
No. It will not be concentric. तो इसलिए क्या नई कपलिंग लगा दो, but don't tighten it that much.
Do you have like that you fit in that motors like that? Like Papa, do the camera on me. Over there, I'll bring the box.
रुको.
Bring the small
अच्छा,
coupling box.
focus it on you.
Yeah. Where is the coupling box? Can you show me? A small coupling box.
Here. Inside this, there are several connectors.
Several connectors. Let me check it out.
Do you find a connector?
No. Yesterday you showed me that one, na? Show me
First,
that one.
don't rush. कितनी बार बोला मैंने? Don't rush. आराम से बोलो. जल्दी नहीं करो.
First, let me drink some water and then I will come with you.
Okay.